This is number 10, Back to the Wall, and this is the right hand section from bar 9 until bar 17. I'm going to play it super slow. We're starting with 5 on G, 3 on E flat, and then the thumb's going to be on C. Then 2 on to C, thumb on A flat at the bottom. Now come off, 4 on D, thumb on F. Don't move too far, 5 on F at the top, 2 on B flat, thumb on G, 4 on E flat, off, C and E flat. Lots of flats here. E flat at the top, A flat in the middle, thumb on F. 4 on to D flat, 2 and 4 on B and D, 5 to 1, 5 up to F. Now I'm going to play it without talking.